So I was looking for a small flashlight to go in my backpack or possibly on a keyring, and I came across this RovyVon flashlight. They actually make a few of them, and this looks like it was going to be a pretty good deal, and I was kind of impressed with it. So I wanted to show you guys. This is the Aurora A1. So it comes in this case. It's got a little clip, a little belt clip. Then it comes with two key rings, thick one and a thin one there. And then it also has a little spare plug to cover the USB-C port, because this is USB-C rechargeable. So again, this is the Aurora A1. Got a couple neat little features. It is, you're able to turn it on momentarily, holding a little button on the side, and it turns it on full bright. And then when you release, it goes off. You can also put it in steady on mode by double clicking it. And that just turned it on to its lowest setting. Now you can program what setting you want it to turn on to by leaving it on that setting for 3 minutes or more. So I think if you had it on high for 3 minutes or more, then the next time you turned it on, it would come on high. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 modes of brightness. And then double click, hold, and it'll turn off. Double click on, hold to turn off. If you were going to put this in a bag, you can also put it in lock mode. So lock mode, you want to do 5 quick presses. And then it flashes twice to say it's locked. So if I press it, it'll flash twice to tell me it's locked. If I want to unlock it, 5 quick presses, and then it flashes 3 times. Pretty neat. Press and hold, you'll get high, on, so long as you hold it, and then off. Double click to go on, press and hold to go off. Pretty neat. So it's got the USB here on the side. There is a tiny blue light that lights up, and it blinks very slowly while it's charging. And then when it needs to be charged, the little light is red, indicating that it needs to be charged. So to give you an idea of its size, here are a set of car keys. To get an idea of some brightness, I have a Milwaukee work light here. This has got the 5 amp hour battery in it. It is fully charged. This is the M18 5.0. So we'll put this here and we'll set it on bright. Do a little angle. All right, and then here is our Aurora A1. And what I'm going to do is hold it down so it's going to be on its bright mode. So, not bad. I'll kind of put them side by side about the same distance. Obviously, you're going to get more flood out of this one, but still, it's pretty bright for its size. I don't have a time as to how long the battery lasts. It does get warm, and the manual does tell you to keep it away from objects or not to put anything over the lens, that the lens, which is going to be plastic, could possibly melt if it overheats by trapping the heat in. Anyway, thought this was pretty good. I will put some links in the description if you're interested.